नमस्कार विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, आज आपण पाहणार आहोत ब्रिज कोर्स यामधील पुढचा घटक तो आहे जॉमेट्रिकल कन्स्ट्रक्शन, in which the sub-unit is a basic construction. The first of this construction is you draw a perpendicular bisector of a given segment. Then the second one is that we draw a perpendicular bisector to a line segment when the given point is lie on the line. Through this point we draw a perpendicular bisector. And the third construction is that when we given a line segment and we draw a perpendicular bisector of that segment, and from that perpendicular bisector we take the midpoint of that segment and it is a center of a circle, and we draw a circle of that segment, and through that circle we use the one of a chord segment and we draw this chord on that circle. These are the three constructions we consider in here. For that purpose we consider here the first of that construction is a draw a perpendicular bisector of a given segment. First construction is construct perpendicular bisector of segment AB is equal to 6.3 cm. 6.3 सेंटीमीटर अंतर असणारी आपल्याला एक रेषाखंड दिलेला आहे ए बी. तर त्या रेषाखंड ए बीचा लंबदुभाजक काढायचा आहे. This is the distance in your scale we take on this notebook. Give the name as AB 6.3 centimeter, and now we use the compass. Using compass, the pointer of this compass take on the two end points of the segment and take a distance in your compass as a greater than to its half and make an arc on the both side of the segment, so that here look these two intersecting points are formed. Then we join this intersecting point. We make a line which is nothing but a perpendicular bisector of a given segment AB. Name of this point is C. C is the midpoint of a segment AB. Draw this construction. Now the second one we can draw second construction. Construct perpendicular bisector through the point lie on the line segment PQ. दिलेला बिंदू हा जर रेषाखंडावर असेल तर त्या बिंदूतून आपल्याला लंबदुभाजक काढता आला पाहिजे. This is a line L. This is a line L. On this line L, we take these 2 points A and B. This is a line segment. On this line segment, we take any one point as P. Suppose P is the AB. Here is the point P. Through the point P, we draw a perpendicular bisector. For that purpose we take this the compass, take the pointer of this compass on the point P and make an arc on the both the sides of the point P. This is the segment we draw. This is given as a midpoint is formed as a P. Now previous construction, take a distance in your compass which is greater than to its half and make an arc on both sides. And then we join these 2 points of intersection. This is a perpendicular bisector of the segment AB through the point P which lie on the line segment AB. दिलेल्या बिंदूतून आपल्याला लंबदुभाजक हा या स्वरूपात काढता येतो. तर ही एक रचना आपण नीट व्यवस्थित काढून घ्यायची आहे. आता त्यानंतर महत्त्वाची रचना आपण पुढे पाहणार आहोत. तिसरी third, draw circle and chord. And chord of a circle using radius or diameter. दोन्हींपैकी एकाचा वापर करून आपल्याला वर्तुळ काढायचं आहे आणि त्या वर्तुळाची जीवा देखील काढायची आहे. अशा स्वरूपाची रचना आहे. तर उदाहरण घ्यायचं आपल्याला त्या स्वरूपाचं. पहिलं उदाहरण आहे डायमीटर ऑफ ए सर्कल. Diameter of a circle is 6.3 centimeter. Construct circle and chord LM of 4 centimeter. 4 सेंटीमीटर अंतराची क्वाड म्हणजे जीवा हे आपल्याला काढायचे आहे. आपल्याला पहिलं काय करावं लागेल 6.3 सेंटीमीटरचा रेषाखंड काढून घ्यावा लागेल. त्याला नाव द्यायचं आहे आपल्याला दिस इज AB segment 6.3 centimeter. Draw its a perpendicular bisector by previous construction. Use here. Make an arc on both sides. Take a distance in your compass which is greater than to its half. Then join this intersecting point. This is a perpendicular bisector. Here is the point of intersection is given as the name is O. O is the center of our circle. Now take the radius OB and construct a circle. This is the circle of having here the AB is the diameter. AB is equal to radius is equal to OA also, and we draw 4 centimeter of a chord. Here is the point we taken as L. Take in your distance in your compass is a 4 centimeter and make a arc and make the arc to here. This is the point is N. Join this segment. Here is the segment is drawn. This is nothing but a chord of the circle LM. Here is a 4 centimeter is the distance of this LM. This type of a construction we complete in here. And this is the form of this construction of a third. From this about, the exercise will be solved in this way. There are the 4 questions are given. The first question of it we write. मी आपण प्रश्न देतो ते तुम्ही नंतर वहीमध्ये सोडवायचे आहेत. किती 2-3 मिनिटं. हां, तर दुसऱ्या वर्गात वेळ नाही म्हणून पहिलं एक्सरसाइज मधले घ्या. पहिलं उदाहरण, ड्रॉ परपेंडिक्युलर बायसेक्टर ऑफ सेगमेंट AB 4.7 centimeter. Second, construct perpendicular bisector of line X. Take point P through this point. Draw perpendicular bisector. Construct segment PQ 5.7 centimeter. Take point R. Length of QR is equal to 3 centimeter. दिलेला अंतर किती आहे? 3 centimeter. And PRQ between this. Draw perpendicular bisector from R. And the last question is for construct circle of diameter 7.3 centimeter and chord is 5.7 centimeter. वर्तुळ काढायचं आहे आणि त्या वर्तुळ काढल्यानंतर त्या वर्तुळाची जीवा ही आपल्याला दिलेली क्वाड 5.7 सेंटीमीटरची अशा स्वरूपाची काढून घ्यायची आणि कन्स्ट्रक्शन पूर्ण करून आपल्या वहीमध्ये तयार करून ठेवायचं.